ADAMH plays a crucial role in supporting the mental health and the well-being of students within our Franklin County schools. So here to tell us more from Columbus City Schools is Michael Sain, and from the Buckeye Ranch, Kamilah Twymon. It's good to have you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So first, for our viewers, tell us a little bit about the vastness of Columbus City Schools and the Buckeye Ranch as well.
Absolutely. Within Columbus City Schools, we have approximately 47,000 students.
Whew.
Of those 47,000 students, over 9,500 of those students are English learners and newcomers to our district.
And the Buckeye Ranch, Cam?
Yes, the Buckeye Ranch has been in existence since 1961. Today, we provide a variety of services to children, youth, and families, including child welfare. We provide foster care and housing and support to transition-age youth. We also do some work with our care managed entity in care coordination. Then, of course, we have our treatment services under our community-based and education department, in which we partner with ADAMH to be able to provide treatment and support and prevention to our new American population, specifically the Somali community.
And you mentioned the new American population. I mean, the Columbus City Schools is so diverse. As far as languages and cultures go, what is that diversity like?
Currently, we have 126 countries represented in
Wow.
Columbus City Schools, and also 107 different languages that we service day in and day out.
And how are prevention services, Cam, specialized for these new American students?
Yeah, so our Somali program is staffed with Somali providers, and so these providers speak the language, they understand the culture and subculture in a Somali community, and so some of the things that they do are provide culturally responsive care and engagement in education, one to the caregivers to help that engagement and kind of bridge that engagement between the families and the schools. And we do prevention groups in the school setting to help with some of the socialization and strengthening academics and social and emotional learning skills.
So I can imagine there is a ton of positive impact that you're seeing from these services, right?
Yes, absolutely. So what some of that looks like is like gathering documents and really having that collaboration and communication with the school. Our providers are able to help with that process, since there are some cultural barriers, some language barriers, and so they're really engaged in providing a very specific and specialized approach to help them navigate those systems.
And I'm sure from your perspective, you're seeing the positive impact as well.
Absolutely. Our students, our newcomers, they are becoming more and more comfortable in the classroom. Of course, we have a number of teachers that are TESOL endorsed, which means they have gone and gotten an endorsement that shows how to work with English learners and newcomers to our district. So we are seeing a positive impact of those teachers who are endorsed with that TESOL endorsement, teaching English to speakers of other languages. And that's a very positive thing, and we're seeing those results by the number of English learners becoming more and more proficient throughout the year.
Incredible. And it's so great to not only have these services, but the impact within the schools. But how can we as a community also be champions for these new American students?
I think we just need to be more advocates for this, for our communities. The more and more we advocate for our students, for our families, to let people know that, hey, these folks are here, they want the same things that we want for our children.
Yeah.
They want them to be successful, want to have more in life that we had when we were coming through, just be more successful. So be advocates of all of our families and all of our students.
The fact that we have hundreds of countries represented in this system is absolutely inspiring, and thank you for the services you provide and for sharing this with our viewers, because I'm sure a lot of them didn't know. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And if you want to find out more information, they have a website with all of it. All you have to do is visit adamhfranklin.org/schools. We'll be right back.